Welcome to Blender Days. This video explains about Blender viewport navigation with numpad. Here I created monkey by pressing Shift A and selecting mesh monkey, and also created viewport names around monkey. To create text object, press Shift A, then select text. To change the text, just press tab. If you are using keyboard without numpad, just press tilde key and use the 8-sided pop-up menu to navigate in viewport. I am rotating the viewport by pressing mouse middle scroll wheel button. Press 1 on numpad, it changed to front view. Press Ctrl 1, it shows the opposite, back viewport. Press 1 for front view, Ctrl 1 for back view. Press 3 on numpad to right view. And Ctrl 3 shows opposite side, left view. Press 3 for right view, Ctrl 3 for left view. And 1 to front view. Press numpad 7 to top view and Ctrl num7 to bottom view. 7 for top, Ctrl 7 for bottom. Again 1 to front view. Press numpad 9 to show the opposite side of the active view. Pressing Ctrl num9 key stays in the opposite view. 1 to front view, numpad 9 to opposite view. 1 to front view, 9 to opposite view. Press 7 to top view. Num9 to opposite, that is bottom. Press 7 to top and num9 to show the opposite, that is bottom view. 1 to front and 9 to opposite. 3 to right and 9 to opposite. Again 1 to front view. Ctrl 1 shows back view. Num9 shows the opposite back, that is front. Remember, numpad 9 always shows the opposite side of the current view. Press numpad 4 repeatedly to rotate the viewport from left to right. Remember, you are only rotating the viewport, not the object. Again 1 to front view. Press numpad 6 repeatedly to rotate the viewport from right side to the left side. Again 1 to front view. Press numpad 2 key repeatedly to rotate the viewport from bottom to top. Again 1 to front view. Now press and hold numpad key 8 or press it repeatedly to rotate the viewport from top to bottom. Again press 1 to front view. Press numpad 0 to camera view, toggle. Press numpad period key, frames the active object to the viewport. Numpad 5 key, it changes perspective view to orthographic and orthographic to perspective view. Here I am creating the cone object and placing near monkey. Press numpad 0 takes to camera view. Press period key, frames the active object in viewport. Press the home key on the keyboard to frame all the objects in viewport. Activate front text object, press period to bring closer and frame it. Now the right text object. Select cone and press period to frame it. Hit the home key to frame all objects and fit it in the viewport. Numpad keys and tilde key plays a major role in viewport navigation. These keys are very useful during previewing and checking the object in all angles. Thank you. Have a great day.